Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see a friend request on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, you just have to go to your Snapchat app right over here, and then from this section you're going to go ahead, tap on this little message icon. Now you will find this kind of interface, right? On top you will find various icons, including this little human plus icon, which is the add friend icon. You're going to tap on it, or the request icon if you want to see where you have got your friend requests. You're going to tap on it. Now you can see added me is a section where these people have added me and they have sent me the request. If I choose to accept, I can tap on accept. If I do not want to accept them, I can just cross this out and the request will be gone. I can tap on ignore and the request is done, and that is it. If you want to add more people and send them friend requests, you will find them list over here according to your contacts, according to your friends, according to your mutuals. You can tap on add and you're good to go. Either ways, your request will be on top. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.